Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Unfortunately, the time has come where we need to close. So for now, it's goodbye. Just kidding, we're just having a refit. We'll see you soon.
So back in 2013, Toby started out the back of his combo van mobile valeting before in 2017 going ahead and getting his first unit. He soon outgrew that, and then in 2019 he moved into the unit we are currently occupying. As you can see, and you probably know if you've watched some of our videos, it went through a few iterations over the year before we have now decided to create the ultimate detailing studio. So this is the refit that we previously done 6 months ago, and then now it's time to get on with the refit. Right then, so the first step for the refit, we need to completely go ahead and gut this place out. So everything you can see at the moment needs to be removed before we can start again. So let's go ahead, get everything out of this bay for now, then we can start taking up the flooring as Toby's doing over there. So now we've started, let's go ahead and show you the full process. Right then, so the next part of the refit, as you can see behind me, we've took the studio sign that is on the front of the building. So now it's been taken down, we need to go ahead, remove all the previous branding and update it with our new fresh logos. So all of the storage from that area has been moved into this corner, so we needed to move all of that from that section into here so we could take up all of this flooring. So next up we need to go ahead and get the bifold doors removed from the PPF bay, and then we can start taking out the flooring in that area. So that's the progress so far. I'll keep you updated. Right then guys, so the studio is looking a little bit different now after a lot of hard work. So I'll quickly show you around in a second, but it is an absolute tip in here at the moment, but that's part of the process. So let me spin the camera around and show you what we've been doing. Right then, so the handover area that was originally here, that is now all been removed. So all of the flooring, etc. storage has been moved out. The double detailing bay, that is completely empty now. The ceilings have been taken down, and then the PPF bay, PPF doors are out, and the ceiling is also out. So we're pretty much the majority of the way of removing things. However, we still need to take down all of the walls as we have something else going in place. Like I said, we're not spoiling the full renovations at the moment. Just know there is a lot of hard work going into this, and it is going to look absolutely incredible once done. So let's go ahead and start knocking down some walls. Right then guys, so that's part one of the unit refurbishment complete. As you can see behind me, it is completely empty now in the studio after a lot of hard work. So I'm going to wrap this video here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed, like the video to see the full transformation.